Hey guys, welcome to Bargain Birdies. We're going to do a little test video. I've got a Rapsodo MLM2PRO, and I've had a lot of golf balls come back at this thing, and there's been a lot of discussion on Facebook forums that you can't really make a protector to cover up any part of this black, or it's not going to read right. And I had kind of a hard time believing that. I run a small machine shop here. I design tractor parts and fix sawmill parts and all that. And I kind of wanted to take a hack at making a cover for this, and I've come up with one. And so far in testing, it seems to work fine. This thing's got a hole for your charger port. It's got a spot where you can push your power button, and it's going to slide on. It's a tight fit. I've got some vent holes in the top to hopefully cool it down. I always just use mine inside, but I know there's guys that play outside and might have it in the sunshine. So I'm going to get this lined up, and we'll take some test shots with this. All right, so we're doing alignment right now. And we are ready for some shots. Nine iron first. Definitely pulled that one, which is typical. Looks like everything's showing up. This is not the first time I've tried this. I'm just wanting to show you guys some video evidence that it does seem to work. We got a 3D printer in the garage, and we'll start printing these things up. Because I want to protect my device, and I'm assuming some of you guys are going to also. I'm planning on selling these for around $40 right now. And that's going to be shipping in the US. If anyone wants to try one. But everything seems to be working. We're getting all the numbers, not missing anything. I probably made 10 of these, moving the windows around, and finally got to where we've got clearance. I know there's a radar in there. There's some kind of an infrared flash, but I think all that seems to be working fine. That was a bad drive. It's not good when you hit the ground before the ball. Give another whack with the driver. All the numbers seem to be there. So if you guys want to give one of these a try, I'm going to be doing some sales on Venmo. I also may put some on eBay. I'd like to avoid the eBay fees. Time I get them shipped, I'm not going to make a lot on these, but here's the windows in them. You know, they have to be a certain size because we had a wide angle camera. I didn't want to cover up anything with the IR or the radar, and you can kind of see a ball. It could get in there if you hit it really hard, if it hit perfect, but I don't really think. I think you're a lot safer with one of these than you're going to be without one. And I'm not making any promises that if you put this on, your Rapsodo is not going to get damaged. I'm not going to do that. Don't want that possibility, but if you want some extra protection, I think this might give you some. Thank you all.